Hi, it's Kozue. Today I'm using polish to make a "does this look like magnet nails?" kind of design. I'll be loading it up with nail stamping too. The theme is goldfish. Let's get started. I wipe off any moisture and oils with ethanol. Today's base coat is D-Up Strong Guard. This brush is amazing as always. The pink clip is from Seria. I went back there recently and they still had it. It comes in a pack of 10, but I only ever use one, so the other 9 are just waiting. What's your favorite base coat, everyone? When I want long wear, I use Oli Bonder. For everything else, I usually go with Strong Guard or Nail Envy. To avoid bubbles, I let it dry really well, about 10 minutes. I'm using this polish today. I bought it a few years ago at the Asia Nail Festival. It was on sale, so it had the sticker on it. This blend is usually pretty pricey, so I'm always grateful when it goes on sale. It has this soft pink pearly sheen, and even just one coat makes it look kind of like a magnet nail. Like the color shifts when you change the angle. Wonder Nail number 19. I wipe off the extra polish on the brush using my silicone mat, then paint vertical strokes on both sides of the nail. I want to blur the edges, but it might have dried already. Tricky. It's a muted, dusky kind of blue, so calm and elegant. It has tiny pink sparkles in it, so it matches beautifully with the pink pearly polish underneath. I lined up all my blue polishes and stared at them to see which shades would pair well, and finally chose these two. Clear bottles make color matching so easy. Is that just me? For the pinky, I'm doing a full coat with just a Neuro shade. Can make any 29. I paint mainly the lower half of the nail, then blend it upward so it becomes a gradient with Neuro's light blue. Let's make it a bit deeper. Silicone mats are so useful for adjusting the amount of polish. On the middle finger, I put Neuro in the center and Wonder Nail on both sides. The shade feels perfect for winter too. Doesn't it look a bit 3D now? Kind of magnet-like. Index finger. First, I apply Can Make N29, then blend it into Neuro to make a gradient. The ring finger and the index finger were supposed to have the same art, but the color depths turned out really different. I let it dry for about 10 minutes. Thumb next, going in for the second coat. I paint the center area with Neuro and the sides with Wonder Nail. Oh wow, it started to get that nice dimensional look. For the pinky, it's one solid color. For the ring finger, it's a gradient. I hope it works out. But honestly, even if it doesn't, nail stamping can save the day, so I feel pretty relaxed. Middle finger. I paint a light blue Neuro in the center and wonder nail on both sides. This one also looks nicely dimensional. The wonder nail brush is thin, so it's really easy to paint just a size like this. Index finger is a gradient. I'll let everything dry for 10 minutes. Starting with the thumb, I'm doing the nail stamping. This plate is from CanDo. I bought it a while ago. I feel like I end up using it every July. I'm stamping with this crisp white stamping polish I bought at Walmart in Hawaii a while back. This one is also from Walmart in Hawaii, the crisp black stamping polish. Wait, doesn't it look a bit like a shark? Well, if it's a shark, that's fine. I'll go with it. This stamping polish is from an overseas shopping site. I'm keeping just one of the goldfish and removing all the others. And tap onto the ring finger. The other day, a viewer from Korea left me a comment saying nail stamping is becoming popular again over there. Funny enough, the very first time I learned about nail stamping was from the Korean brand Conad. Am I saying that right? Come on, Japan! Let's bring back the nail stamping hype. Stamping a ripple pattern on the middle finger. Adding one more small one. Oh wow, the middle finger really looks like it has water depth now. Applying the Bone Pretty No Smudge top coat oil. Since this is a water-based top coat, it sometimes peels off in one sheet. So I try not to apply it too close to the edges. If I accidentally get some on the edges, I just wipe it off like this. I avoided applying it over the whole nail on the other fingers as well. Applying OPI Jailbreak 3. This top coat is amazing, but it's so hard to get. Makes me a little sad. Sachet Vide is great too, but it shrinks so much. If only it didn't shrink, it would be perfect. I've been obsessed with nail stamping for years, but honestly, it's not just nails. I just love the act of stamping itself. So I always end up stamping way too much. This time I actually wanted to stamp even more, but I held myself back. After the first layer of top coat, I let it dry for a few hours, then apply the second layer. Skipping the rest. This nail set is finished. What do you think? Don't the middle finger and the thumb kind of look like magnet nails? I'm so happy with this cool, refreshing look. I've been staring at my nails and grinning. Well, actually, I'm always grinning at my nails. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!